The MQ-9 Reaper drone, an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV popular among modern militaries and used by the militaries of the United States and other countries, offers a reliable option for now. The MQ-9 Reaper drone is a development of the previous MQ-1 Predator drone and is designed to be a versatile and highly capable platform for a variety of missions. It was first introduced in 2007 and since then has been widely used in a variety of military operations, including reconnaissance, surveillance, and strike missions. The MQ-9 Reaper drone is capable of flying at an altitude of up to 27 hours and has a range of up to 1,850 km, 1,150 miles at a speed of 240 ktas and can operate up to 50,000 feet. The Reaper has a payload capacity of 3,850 pounds, which includes 3,000 pounds of external storage. Capability-wise, the MQ-9 Reaper is capable of carrying a wide variety of weapons, including laser-guided bombs, missiles, and rockets. The MQ-9 Reaper is a drone armed with a variety of sensors, including an infrared camera, radar, and laser targeting system, allowing it to operate day or night in all weather conditions. The MQ-9 Reaper is also equipped with a fault-tolerant flight control system and triple avionics system architecture. It is engineered to meet and exceed manned aircraft reliability standards. The technology is intended to provide connectivity that will allow operators to transmit more data to and from aircraft. The Reaper has a wingspan of 20 m, 65 ft7m. It could take off with a maximum weight of 4,760 kg, 10,494 lb. The MQ-9 is powered by a single Honeywell TPF330-110 turboprop engine. It guarantees a minimum power of 900 HP, 671 kW with digital electronic engine control, DEEP. The MQ-9 Reaper's avionics are impressive. It consists of the IN/DAS-1 NTFB multispectral targeting system, the IN/APY-8 Lynx Roman 2 radar, and the Raytheon C-View Guardian variant C-Search radar. The MQ-9 Reaper, however, is a much more sophisticated drone with much greater range, speed, and capabilities. Drones can be used for intelligence gathering as well as surveillance and reconnaissance, but have the capability to carry weapons,